Hello everyone. Do you know escape from 9 to 5 can be possible? How? I will just explain my journey, how I came from 9 to 5 escape to a real estate business. So I just wanted to tell my journey to you. And before that, I just wanted to share my screen so that you will get to know how this journey is look like and why I am doing this, what I am doing right now. I will tell you my aha moment, and after that I will tell you about the challenges and win I got through this journey of real estate entrepreneurship. Then I will tell something about what is true freedom means to you. If you have any other definition, that also possible, but what is my definition for true freedom, that I will tell you. And I will tell you about the income which I got, and I will explain about my daily routine once I came into this real estate consulting. And one more thing, the blueprint for you I will share at the end of this video, and the resources are available so that you can take that step how you can escape from 9 to 5. So very good resources I will share at the end of this video. So fine, start from this thing, my story and why I am here. Friend, actually the question is not whether the opportunity exists. The question is whether you are ready to take that first step. That was me when I took that first step. I had a dream. Even while working professionally for years, I always dream of creating freedom for me and myself. My dream started in 2017 when first opportunity came to me, and that was a network marketing opportunity. And the next thing is growth. From engineering to MBA to project management, every step was preparing me for something bigger. Yes, I took each and every step turn by turn. When I was in my professional career, I was thought about doing the project management certificate, and I took that PMP certification in 2020. Likewise, whatever I dreamed of, I got it. It could possible for me to achieve that one. And my purpose is very simple. I realized my true purpose while helping people create opportunities through real estate. So now this is my purpose, to help people so that they can also create the opportunities for their loved one, for their family. So that is my story and my why. And now I will tell you what is my aha moment when all this happened. There is a possibility in real estate where you can able to generate more than your salary. I discovered that real estate could provide you freedom of time, choice, and the impact. It is possible in real estate that you can use your time, you can use your skill, and you impact the people out there so that you can get the freedom and the decision. The moment I decided to take the real estate seriously, everything started changing for me because of that only one decision, to take step forward and embrace this real estate consulting. Everything changed for me. So that's why the possibility is there if you came out of that cage from 9 to 5 job. And what challenges and wins I secured in this. Actually, I had a fear like many people, that what will happen when somebody will say no. But I took that fear as a feedback, because market is not there to just give you the fear, but market is always every time give you the response, and you have to catch that response. And I catch that response very well, and I was out of the fear. I was not taking no as a regret, or no as a denial, but I took that no as a feedback. Then the persistence, I kept learning, following up, and improving despite setbacks. Whatever things are there, whatever my mentor told me, I just done all these things. And then I got a breakthrough through my first successful deal, and that gave me the confidence, and I sure that this is a real path and I can work in this path. If I am not able to generate salary, if I'm not able to put myself on 9 to 5, but this can the things which I can work on. And what is mean by true freedom for me, my freedom definition is very different. Definition of your freedom is also different. But what what is freedom to me is family. True success means having quality time with the family and with the people you love. That is called a family freedom. And one more thing is freedom means the choices. Freedom is the ability to decide how you spend your day, with your family, with your loved one, or with your friends. So that is also a freedom. Through real estate, you got the freedom of family and you got a freedom of choice and the impact. Real freedom comes when you help others grow along with you, and that is called a real freedom for me. And if I will talk about the income which you can generate from this real estate opportunity, so one one thing is the commission. Real estate taught me that income grows with value creation. As long as you are there to create the value in the people's life, you get back that income as a commission. And one leverage, the leverage part is one deal can create results that month of effort may not. If you are earning 50,000 rupees as your annual increment, one deal in real estate can give you 60,000 to 1.5 lakhs rupees in a single month. So it isn't it a good deal to work with real estate and get that deal finished so that you can get your salary. And the next thing is, this is a opportunity, because income is the byproduct of solving people's property need. If you are helping others to get their dream homes ready, to identify their good location, to identify the good builders and developers, so that is an opportunity for you to impose your knowledge, your skill for the people's life. So that's why this is the true definition of commission, leverage, and opportunity. And if I will tell you about what is my daily routine, so my day start with the gratitude practice. Early morning, I started my day with the gratitude. Then I just put consistent action that creates extraordinary results over time. I just write my goal every morning and I just work towards that goal. Then I took time. I just put time blocking for the learning. Every day I invest time in growth, mentoring, and self improvement, and that is my daily routine. Always, I started my day with the gratitude. Then I put myself into the discipline, and then I put some time for my learning. So that is my daily routine. And if you want to take this space for your income generation, then real estate consulting is the best option for you. So what you will do first, you have to create the identity. First, become a real estate entrepreneur in your mind, because mind creates the result first, and then you take the action. Knowledge becomes visible only when you implement it. I have seen many people who has who has knowledge of many fields, but they just don't take that first step to implement that knowledge into the real thing. And the consistency, small daily action creates a long-term success. That I know, because I took that action in 2020 when I just get out from this job and started working in the real estate, and slowly I prepared myself for this opportunity. So if you also want to do this thing, so there are some resources which are available. So I will just tell you what resources you will have if you want to escape from 9 to 5. Friends, success becomes easier when you learn with like-minded people. So don't waste your time to start alone in this journey. Just take a help from your mentor, from your community, from the like-minded people, so that this journey can be very much easier and much more fantastic for you. The next thing, mentorship. A mentor can help shorten your learning curve. That's why mentor is important. लोगों ने कहा है कि अगर आप mentor के साथ नहीं कर रहे हो तो your journey will be longer, but अगर आप mentor के साथ काम कर रहे हो तो your journey will be much shorter. The transformation, the right guidance can help you build your own journey to freedom. That's why the right guidance can help you build your own journey to freedom, and that is important thing. So friends, I think you got to know how you can take that first step to build your real estate entrepreneurship business. And if you want to take this exact step like me, and you put yourself into the grind, so first few months you will absorb like a person who are going through the sandwich mode. But once you are able to come out from the sandwich mode, then you will find that most of the stress get released, because step by step you will learn and you will earn from this real estate sector. So that's why if you are working professional, wanted to do something, you can do it part time or full time. It doesn't matter. If you have experience in real estate or no, it doesn't matter. If you have a skill to do the things in real estate, it doesn't matter. You have to just put yourself into the action mode, and you have to put yourself into that step first, so that you can start this journey as early as possible. And if I can do it, you can also do it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I like this. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.